100 years. In these videos, we are debating in two groups, time versus money. And my name is Jit Kumar, and I am supporting money. Money is better that of the time, because whenever we want to start anything, we need a money. If we want to start any business from other people, so we need a money that time. If we want to learn anything, we need a money that time. If we want to do any job, we need that time monies. That's why I think money is better.
Morning, dears. My name is Abhilasha and I study in class 8. Thank you, Anna sir, for having me this opportunity. My topic is time is better than money, because if we have time, so we can earn money. If you have not time, so you can not earn money. That's why we should save our time. We should value our time. We should use our time in good way.
Good morning, everyone. As you know, my name is Nidhi, and today my topic is time. Time is not important only me. Time is important to all the people. And the time is biggest thing in this world. If you will save your time, so time will save you. And we should not waste 1 second in our life, because if you are investing your time bad things, so it is not good. You should invest your time for good work. And if you have time, so you can do everything, and you can achieve many government job, private job. And as you know about our grandfather, our father, he don't have many time. They have only 20 years, 30 years, but right now we have lots of time. That's why we should not invest our time. And right now we have time 50 years, 60 and 60 years, but they don't have too much time. And that's why we can achieve lots of things, but they cannot achieve because they don't have many time. In this world, everybody wants to become successful person, and you also want to, and I also want to become successful person. So first, how can we become successful person? So what success will ask with me? So you are thinking, so success will ask money, focus, hard work. But not at all. You are thinking wrong, because success only asking us.
Success will ask only time.
Success will ask only time. Because if you are investing lots of money in your field, and you are not investing your time, so how can we become what you want to become? First of all, you need to invest your time in your field.
So you are saying money is not important for us, but if you want to buy anything, that time you need a money. And suppose that you are in a critical situation, and that time you have lots of time and you need a money. What will you do that time?
I'm telling that now time is better than money. I'm not telling time is everything and money is nothing. The money is also important in our life. And if you don't have a time, so how can you buy any?
How can you earn money?
How can you earn money, and why do you want to purchase anything? And if you have lots of money, and you want to enjoy in your life, and you don't have time, so what will you do that time?
Yes, good.
If I have money, so I have lots of worker. I have lots of worker for doing any work, and I have lots of time. I can invest my time for my families, for my sisters, for my brothers. I can enjoy my life because lots of workers are doing my work. I don't need to invest my lots of time for other works, and I can enjoy. I can give a time. I can give my times for my families and friends.
For getting this professional, we need to invest our time, And if you are not investing your time, how can you become rich person and how can enjoy in your life?
Tell me, if you don't have money, whenever you want to start anything, that time you need a money. If you want to start earning money, first you will have to invest your money. Whenever we need to start any business, that time we need a money. First we will have to invest our money. Then they will earn money and they can save your time.
First of all, if you want to open your business, first you must have to time because you need to know area. And if you don't have time, so how can you meet your student and how can you go there and how can you know their location? That's why time is most important.
I have one friends and they need at that time money because their fathers in admit in hospital and they need a bloods. Without bloods they can die. They could die. But that time they need a money. They have lots of time. What should he do that time?
If your friend's father in admit in hospital, really they need money, but your friend did not pay time in good way. That's why they are facing problem. Now you accept time is most important. Otherwise you will also face this type of problem.
Yeah, you are speaking absolutely right.
Yes.
Do like and do subscribe and put your valuable comment in comment box.